Hello everybody. I hope you're all doing terrific on this lovely Saturday morning. I should say afternoon. I don't know what time it is. I'm retired. So, hey, I have a great haul from Temu. I have to say, I have no idea what's in here. I know there's a pair of shoes. And I have a few things that I've already opened. So let's get this haul on the road. My name is Daryl, and my channel is Daryl Goes Shopping. Generally, I feel like I shouldn't pick up hangers. I should be using the ones to replace items that come off of the other hangers, right? Well, I have 100 new hangers. They were specials on some blind boxes, and I decided just to pick them up. PJs, they're from a previous haul. I love these Temu PJs. These are so comfortable. We've got another one of these I've purchased. Here we go. This is the fourth one of these. And these are still either a stone bead or a glass bead. I'm not sure which. They feel like a stone. They're very hefty. These are really quite beautiful. So the white ones have wooden beads, and I have a green one that looks like it's cut glass beads, and then this one is more like stones. So I can't tell you what you're gonna get. I guess it depends on what color. I have a blue one coming, and we'll see what it is. Anyway, these are just gorgeous. I love them. I've been wanting some mesh shoes. I have a pair of flats, but I don't tend to wear them. And so I really love these with the mesh and the kitten heel. I'll put them on so you can see. Hopefully I have some clothing in this bag. So let's open it. I've already purchased one of these, and it is in my bathroom now. I'm using it to store extra rolls of TP. But I think it would work really well as to like put hairbrushes, styling tools, things like that, and maybe that's what I'll do. Or I have my day-to-day makeup that sits out on my vanity, and maybe I'll put it in here and it'll match the one that's on the back of the toilet. We'll see. I'm curious to see how many pairs of brown kitten heels I'm going to end up with. I started thinking about fall, and I've been buying a lot of brown, and I know I don't have any brown heels. These are quite beautiful. They look like leather. Oh, how pretty. I'll get you the links, and I don't know about the prices. I know that I don't ever spend more than $10 on shoes, so that might give you a good indication of the price. Wait, this is a shoe haul. Oh, these are sweet. I love that they're called fashion brand. Cute. Glasses, maybe? No. Oh, this is my defuzzer. I had one before and it worked pretty well, except that I put it someplace safe. I still don't know where it is. These are so good, especially for cashmere sweaters. This is a pair of shorts and they have embroidery across the hem. And I always appreciate it when Temu says that it's embroidery, that it really is. It isn't printed on. So these will be fun to accessorize. The fabric feels kind of like a gauze cotton. Machine wash and dry. 100% polyester. You guys, I'm so excited. I finally got 1,000 subscribers and I am monetized. And I actually got my first request to collaborate. So I'm gonna take it really slow because basically I don't know what I'm doing. But I've been watching all the tutorials and everything. And I just wanna thank you so much for joining me on this venture. I love showing these Temu items and styling them and looking for them on Temu. I don't like paying for them so much, but I've got this top in brown, white, and pink. And it is so flattering. I hardly ever wear black tops, but I think that this one will be a good one. The cut is good. Oh, my bag is empty. Watch, I'll get another one on my porch today as soon as I quit filming. Couple jewelry pieces. If I'm correct, these are both the same thing, one in gold and one in silver. Anyway, looks like this, is it adjustable? Yes. So I love these kinds of necklaces. It's nice with different necklines that you can adjust the length of them. And this one is just the same. It's in gold. So not a lot to try on, but let's get to it. I was right. So that gives us a couple more options. I really previously only had 2 things to show you, but I thought I would style them in a couple of ways so you could get a look at. So these are the shorts. And I thought I would pick up the red that is in the, I don't wear a lot of red, so this is this SHEIN top. And these are the slides. I'll see if I can figure out a way to record what they look like on the feet. So we'll try this. When I first put it on, I didn't think I liked it, but it's growing on me. This kind of dresses this all up a little bit. So this looks more like a skirt. Well, this blazer definitely needs a steam. And I like this because it picks up the color of the heels while not being exactly matchy-matchy with the shorts. As you know, I love long sleeves with shorts. So let's put on the black top and see what I can find to go with them. This is probably my favorite Temu shirt. And I thought, even though the embroidery in the shorts is a dark green, I thought the black would work fine with them. I like the silhouette, and it is so comfortable. You could do anything in this outfit and not feel anything squishing you. Let's see what else I got. This one definitely feels like clothing. Oh, well, this is Shein. Been picking up a lot of boho pieces from Shein. I think these are both going to be tops. Wow. Whoops. Very, very wrinkled. I wonder if this goes with the shorts. I have to try it. I hope I don't have two of these now. I think I just bought this again. These are off the shoulder top. And it feels like a really nice fabric. 100% cotton. Let's see if this would go with the shorts. That would conceivably go with the shorts as well. Well, I certainly think you could do this and that they match and everything is fine with it. I'm not sure that I would. Well, maybe I would. I think maybe I would. I like it, really. The colors are a good match, and I like having a graphic tee with the embroidery. I think it's that kind of boho mismatch sort of juxtapositioning. So let's get the other shirt on, and then I'm gonna try and figure out the best way to show you the shoes. Oh, I love this top. Oh goodness. It feels so good. And I love this neutral, I guess they call it gray. I imagine you could do other things with the collar. Yeah, it looks like you could go either way with the sleeve, because it looks like it's about equidistant. So you might be able to, it's not quite, but you could wear it here as a boat neck. I love a boat neck. Oh, wow. It's so pretty, so versatile, so comfortable. And I believe it was under $10, somewhere right in that ballpark. Here we go. These are the mesh shoes. Oh, I think they're cute. They're so comfortable. These are the slides, the sandals. And these are the brown slingbacks. These are an excellent fit. So I wear a true size 10 shoe, and these are a 43. I think a 42 and a half would be a good size, but I'm not complaining. These will probably be very wearable. These are a size 10. Interesting, these are a 41. I wouldn't want these to be any smaller. Not sure what I think. I do love the fact that I can buy readers on Temu for, if you research the prices, you can get, geez, like 8 pair for $6. It's crazy. I have to say, in my experience, that the glass doesn't hold up for a real long time. But heck, if you've got 20 pair of them. I do like this pair. I think I like the frames to be a bit darker. So that's it for my haul. I hope you found some things that you can't live without. I'm super happy with everything from Shein and Temu. I appreciate your views and your comments. I am thinking about selling the Temu pieces that I don't think that I'm going to wear. If you follow my videos, you will see that I have a lot of Temu clothing, and I can't keep it all. And so I'd love your input, whether I should record the items that I'm going to sell and then list them on eBay. Would that be something that you would like to see? Let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you so much, you guys. Bye now.